Coming to you live from an insane asylum.
It's like 55, 60 degrees in here. Here's our condensing unit not doing anything. Look at that neat wiring. Well, mostly anyway. I got no green light on the defrost timer. Seems that our defrost timer is dead to the world. Now I've bypassed the timer, but I don't see anything happening. What's the story with this fuse right here? Notice the other one's bypassed? Well, now they're both bypassed. Ooh, big surprise, everything works now. You see the defrosts in this thing? 45 minutes? Man, this is a cooler. That's a bit more like it. Well, that seems pretty legit. It's all working now. Well, you don't need a multimeter, come on. What do you want that for?